HP Chromebook x360 12-inch, 14-inch with metallic build launched in India starting 29,990 rupees. HP on Tuesday launched a new convertible Chromebook in India that packs the Intel Gemini Lake dual-core processor. The HP Chromebook x360 comes in 12-inch and 14-inch models, both of which pack touch-sensitive HD+ display with 3:2 aspect ratio. The Chrome OS laptops are claimed to offer a battery life of 11 hours on a single charge. In addition to the versatility of using them in multiple form factors, the HP Chromebook x360 12-inch and 14-inch models are said to offer an immersive audio experience, thanks to stereo speakers and B&O audio tuning. HP Chromebook x360 price in India, availability. The HP Chromebook x360's 14-inch model starts at Rs. 34,990, while the smaller 12-inch variant carries a starting price of Rs. 29,990. HP separately offers the USI stylus that will set buyers back by Rs. 3,999. The new HP Chromebook x360 Duo is now available in India via 250 HP World stores across 25 cities, apart from the official HP online store, Amazon, Flipkart, Reliance, Chroma, and VJ Sales. HP Chromebook x360 features the two new HP Chromebook x360 variants are identical in terms of internal hardware, except for their display size. Both the laptops feature a metallic build with a sandblasted finish, have a backlit keyboard, and come in ceramic white and natural silver color options. The 12-inch Chromebook x360 packs a 12-inch HD+ display with thin bezels and 3:2 contrast ratio, while its larger sibling packs a 14-inch display with similar attributes. Talking about the internal hardware, the HP Chromebook x360 is powered by the Intel N4000 processor clocked at up to 2.6 GHz. It features two USB Type-C ports and offers 64 GB SSD storage. There is also a micro SD card slot that can further help expand the storage by 256 GB. Additionally, HP is also offering 100 GB of Google One Cloud storage for a year. The HP Chromebook x360 Pair features a fanless design and offers the convenience of voice-enabled Google Assistant as well. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.